Hello everyone, Barry Anderson for Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Well, Harley-Davidson, Hog, and earnings play. You've heard me talk about earnings season. We're right starting the beginning of earnings season. And Hog released earnings today, and look what happened. I mean, just a big, this is the 9:30 candle. Wasn't that active in the pre-market, really. 9:30 candle, and it just absolutely cratered. So this showed up early, fairly early. I don't like trading in the first 35 minutes or 15 minutes. Showed up 9:56 Eastern Time at 26.66. That was the price, and I took the trade. I took the short just a little bit after that. 26.66 is right about here. Yeah, right around here. And what I really look for, and of course anybody should be looking for, is a nice trend. Now so you can see before it even had any sort of a pop-up, it moved down underneath 25, which is just an awesome percentage move. It did pop up a little bit here and then moved down again. Now it's finally, that bar, if you were still in it, that or a portion of that bar certainly would have got you out of the trade. But all I ever looking for is, okay, give me a fairly decent trend for an hour or so. And then, of course, I'm looking left on that monthly chart. Look where it could, I'm not saying, I never say it's going to get there. When I look left and I see a low, but the low was $24 on that monthly chart. So there was really no chart support. Okay, so this had a long ways it could have kept going down. And again, of course, the market being what it is today and for the last few days, undoubtedly helped moving this down. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.